Hi guys, welcome back. And today we are trying to understand how we can undo redo changes in Excel. Basically, why would require undo and redo changes in Excel? It may happen that you end up doing adding some wrong data to your Excel, and that needs to be undone. And we want to do it quickly so that our data doesn't get messed up. So the easier way to do revert back to your changes or redo your changes is using the undo redo button, which is available on the quick access toolbar up here. Yeah. So when I'm talking about quick access toolbar, these two buttons are automatically added. If you go to file and click on options, you will get an option for quick access toolbar here. Yeah. In this, you will see undo redo buttons, which are already there right now in my Excel. But if you do not see it, it will usually appear. If I remove this, let me remove my on-screen keyboard first. If I remove both of them, you will not be able to see them on your window. Yeah, let me show that to you. So here we, on the upper right hand corner of your screen, upper left hand corner of your screen, you will see there is no undo redo button right now. Now, if I do not see it, what I can do is I can just go back to my backstage view, go to options. In there, we have this quick access toolbar. Yes. Click on the quick access toolbar. Check for the undo redo button over here in the popular commands that you have. Just scroll through it. Yeah, we have this undo and we have the redo option as well. I'll press Control and select both of them, or I can just select one, say add, undo, and click on add. You can see both of them have it now available. I can just move them a bit up and say OK. Now, as soon as I press OK, you will find these two buttons now available for clearing or adding, making the changes as per your requirement. Now, yeah, as I said, let's see one thing at a time. So let's check for the undo option first. So you can reverse almost every action in Excel. So undo is to reverse the actions that you do on Excel, and it can be done in two ways. So undo action can be done in two ways. First was through the uh, quick access toolbar, which is available here. So this is redo button. This is undo button. Yeah. Now you can reverse effects up to past 100 actions that you have performed. Yeah. So I can reverse almost 100 actions. So suppose I have this data. I make it bold. I have this yellow color. I make it right aligned. I make it underlined. Okay, I have done four changes to it, but I find this data to be very bad, in a very bad shape, or doesn't look that good. I want to undo changes. Yeah. So the first way that I can do undo changes is here. So I can click on the undo changes. See, the redo button is already disabled because I have not done any actions of undo. As soon as I do undo, it will open the redo option as well. So let me do undo. So you'll see the last action that I performed was underline, which will it will remove it as soon as I click on undo. Yeah. The next action was making it bold or adding color. So the next way of doing or undoing an action in Excel is through your keyboard. On keyboard, the shortcut key to undo an action is Control Z. So you need to press Control and then Z. So you see there is the action that I have done of aligning the text to on the right hand side has undone. Let's see what was the previous option previous to aligning the text. What I have I done? So I need to undo that as well. So say Control Z once again. You'll find the color that I have added as yellow has gone now. And the first thing, the one thing that was left was making it bold. So I made the data bold. So again, I'll undo it to make it in a normal text. You find the entire thing is undone now. Yeah. So we saw two ways in which you can undo your actions in Excel. First was through the quick access toolbar, and second was through the keyboard, that is Control Z. And I always prefer keyboard, as I told you. So whenever you are learning through my video, see to it that you try to make your hands on to keyboard actions mostly. Yeah, so Control Z, very fast. You can just undo your action rather than going back to the back to the quick access toolbar, pressing that button. That's a lot of action rather than the keyboard that you have. Okay, so that's one way. And there are various options. You can see when you open what all actions I have undone. So there were 4 actions I have undone. I can select one of them or all 3 of them or 4 of them to redo them, undo them. Yeah. Okay. So I say undo 4 actions. It has completely undone all the things. Yeah. Now you'll find the redo option has got open. So we can see if I click on this arrow button next to the redo, there are multiple things that I have done, which I can redo again, which are in a format. So if I have to redo now, redo is again can be done in 2 ways. First is through this quick access toolbar, redo button. And second, by pressing Control Y. So let's try with the first, try it with the redo button, which is available on quick access toolbar. So I'll try to redo the action which I have undone now. So I'll redo. You can see I have made it center align. Then I have made the heading as bold. I have done the heading. Let's start with the data now. So I have made the data as bold. Then I colored it. Then I right aligned it. Yeah. And then I underlined it. Yeah. So let me undo this. I will show you through the keyboard how how redo works. So what we did with the data was I removed all the formatting which was available on this data. Now again, I'll redo the formatting, press Control Y. That will redo. Yeah, can see this? The bold thing has come again. Next is the color. So I'll say again, press Control Y on my keyboard. Then I right aligned it. So I'll press Control Y once again. And the last action that I did was underline. So I'll say Control Y. Yeah. By doing all the actions, I have redone all the things that I have undone. So automatically the redo button has got disabled now. You can see I cannot press redo because there is no actions to be performed now. Everything has been done already. So this is how you can undo or redo changes on your Excel if you perform something which is not supposed to be done. Yeah. And you can check what all things you have undone or redone from the arrow tab that is available next to the relevant action that you have to do. Whether you have to do it, it has to be undone or it has to be redone. Yeah. And the shortcut keyboard keys uh, to undo was Control Z and to redo it was Control Y. You need to remember that. Hope you understood how you can get back to your changes or make or rectify your changes in Excel by using undo and redo. Hope you like this video. Do like it, like it, share it across with your friends who want to learn Excel. Do comment if you have any views, or if you want me to cover any topics in our 365 days of Excel. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because that's how you are going to get my videos, which will be uploaded every day. Thank you so much.